In this bowl is almond flour, coconut flour, my sweetener, and baking powder. In this bowl I have all my wet ingredients, and I'm going to mix that up, and then I'm going to add the wet to the dry. I combine my wet into the dry, and then I'm going to mix this all together until I have a nice batter consistency. Now usually I use melted butter in this, but this time I use avocado oil. Just want to see what the difference would be, so I'm experimenting tonight. And my extract that I use in here was not only just vanilla, but I put banana extract. So, you know, these are going to be those delicious banana nut pancakes. Okay, and this is the consistency, the batter consistency it should look like. Okay. Then I grease my pan with some grass-fed butter. I spread it out too big. I should use my other pan, but this is gonna work for the night. So when you start seeing them get a little bit like cooking around the edges, you know, that's when you flip them over. So if you flip them over too early, they will be a disaster. Okay, my lovelies. This is the banana walnut pancakes with some bacon on the side and some walnuts. These are delicious. So I'm gonna post the recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy. You guys have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.